Hey everyone, what's up? Today I'm going to show you a simple trick to use CapCut without any crack, without extra software, and without paying anything. Yep, completely free. Alright, let's jump in. First, import any video you want to work on. Then, go ahead and select one of the premium features. You'll recognize it by the little diamond icon. Don't worry, just use whatever paid effect or option you need for your edit. Once you're done editing, select all your clips and combine them into a compound clip. After that, click on Pre-Process and wait for it to finish. This step is important, so let it fully complete. Now, close CapCut. Next step, press Win plus R on your keyboard, type %appdata% and hit Enter. From there, follow this path. App data arrow, local arrow, CapCut, arrow user, data arrow projects arrow, com.elveditor.draft arrow, then open your project folder, arrow, go to resources arrow, then combination. Inside this folder, you'll find a video file in .mp4 format. Copy that file. Now, reopen CapCut, go back to your project, and paste that .mp4 file. Replace the original video with it, and that's it. Your video is ready, just export it, and you're good to go. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.